Sequence connectors. Sequence connectors are used to link opinions from one sentence to the next and to give paragraphs coherence. Sequence connectors also help organize events from the beginning, middle, and end of a story. In today's grammar lesson, we are going to go through a list of sequence connectors, so make sure you are sticking around. Hi, Tausif here from Grammar and Pronunciation for Non-Natives Online Learning. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and consider subscribing. If you're existing, welcome back. Let's start with the lesson. The first sequence connector is after. Usage at a time which is after another event. After I left him a message, he phoned me immediately. She did voluntary work in a hospital after she graduated. Also. Usage in addition. She's a photographer and also writes books. It's very humid. Also, you can easily get sunburnt. Before. Usage as a subordinating conjunction. Before he left, he gave everyone a present. We should stop shopping now before we spend all our money. Besides. Usage in addition to. It's quite cold, and besides, it's getting late. She won't mind you being late. Besides, it's hardly your fault. Eventually. Usage in the end, after a long time. I looked everywhere for my keys, eventually found them inside my drawer. It might take him ages, but he will do it eventually. Finally. Usage after a long time or some difficulty. After months of looking, he finally found a job. She finally apologized, but she was not very graceful about it. Firstly. Usage used to refer to first thing in the list. There are two good reasons why we can't do it. Firstly, we don't have enough money. I want two things from my boss. Firstly, a pay rise, and secondly, a longer contract. Furthermore. Usage more importantly, in addition. I suggest we use bakers as our main suppliers. They are good, furthermore, cheap. His house is beautiful, furthermore, it's in a great location. Lastly. Usage when something comes after all the other things in a list. They wash their hands, arms and faces, and lastly, they wash their feet. I have thanked my parents, and lastly, I must thank all my friends for their help. Meanwhile. Usage when something else is happening. Aslam is starting college in September. Meanwhile, he is traveling around Europe. We will buy you shorts by the weekend. Meanwhile, you will have to wear your long trousers. Moreover. Usage used to add information. The whole report is badly written. Moreover, it's inaccurate. He enjoys selling and moreover, he is good at it. Subsequently. Usage after something else. In 2012, he was arrested and subsequently convicted on drug trafficking charges. They met on the set, fell in love, and subsequently got married. Well, there are so many other types of connectors which you must learn by your own. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks very much.